Hey, seniors, how you doing? Today is Tuesday, April the 5th. Let's take a look at what we got today. Today, we're going to dive into our second reading. Last week, we took a lot of time looking at Winston, trying to do some characterization. Today, we want to develop some kind of theme pieces and looking at the passages. What can we see about the lessons to be learned from that passage? This passage is called Alternative Facts. So let me go ahead and pull that one up here for you. Um, Winston works in the records department at the Ministry of Truth. Okay. His job there is to rewrite history. So the total dictatorship, the totalitarian government of Oceania, which is the country that London is in or is set in this story, and that's where Winston lives. That country brainwashes the people not only by telling them this is what's real, they rewrite the history so that if you ever tried to go back and look to see if it was real, you wouldn't find any other evidence. That because that would be all that was there. That was his job. In fact, he talked about the memory hole. And that's where when you took out a news article and they rewrote it, they took out this name and this name instead of being a hero, now he was the criminal. And they would take the original and roll it up and stick it in the memory hole and it would disappear forever, right? But they would rewrite the history to match their current story. And the thing that Winston talks about in the story is the fact that these things could be rewritten several times over. We see these ideas of alternative facts in our current political setting today. You might hear it called alternative facts, post fact, or beyond the fact, or the sometimes people call them convenient facts. So there's several different variations of this, but this is something that we do see today in a different format, but it is a concept that we should be fairly familiar with. Today, our goal is to do some reading, take some annotations, and make sure that we're familiar with this text so that we can work with it tomorrow. So if you have any questions, please make sure you're reaching out to Miss McGuire, and good luck, everybody.